That completes all 8 stitch demonstrations. Now let's see which stitches to use for remaining patterns. We demonstrated the letter pattern in pattern 01, so we'll skip it here. You can watch pattern 01's video. Let's demonstrate the wreath pattern. For this flower pattern, we use the lazy daisy stitch shown above. Let me demonstrate. Let's start with this flower, using 6 strands of color number 5. Come up here. Take down beside it. Take down along outer edge, creating separate loop pattern. Following these steps, complete remaining pattern. Don't stitch center circle yet. Save it for later patterns. Move needle to center on back. Add a French knot. Let's look at the result. This side also uses lazy daisy, using 6 strands of color number 3. Same process. Complete pattern with lazy daisy stitch. Finally add French knot in center. If petals look empty in middle, we can add some straight stitches. For fuller appearance. Same on this side. Keep stitch spacing consistent. Let's look at the result. Now for remaining small circles. Using French knots, we'll use several different colors. First with 6 strands of color number 3. Bring it up. Wrap around needle twice. Same here. Add French knot here too. Then use 6 strands of color number 4 for middle. You can use other colors too. For richer color variety, let's see what patterns remain. Using 6 strands of color number 5. Stitch these leaves with lazy daisy. Here we use 6 strands of color number 4. Bring it up. Let's look at the result. Finally, stitch center stems with outline stitch, using 6 strands of color number 3. Come up here. Take down ahead. Don't pull tight. Come up in middle. This stitch is detailed in pattern 01. You can watch pattern 01. We won't explain more here. Let's look at the result. This completes pattern 02 demonstration. Thank you for watching.